All right, hey everyone, this is Matt from Parent Presence. Today I'm going to be showing you guys this hydrogen water bottle, and we're letting you guys know what everyone wants to know. Does it still taste like water? Does it taste good? So I'm putting the hydrogen into it right now. It takes 3 minutes. I should have about 20 or 30 seconds left at this point. So you charge it up. It comes with a charger, a simple USB-C that just plugs into the back here. And when it's charged, put some water in it, press that power button, and it's going to start putting hydrogen into it. There, it just beeped. The 3 minutes are up. And now I get to tell you guys what you've all been waiting for. How does it taste? You've wanted to try hydrogen water. You've heard that it has some health benefits to it. But does it still taste good? I'm going to let you know right now. It tastes just like water. So it puts hydrogen into it, but I don't notice any difference in taste at all. Literally, just tastes exactly like water. So pretty cool. Company did send us this product to test. Pretty cool product. I liked it. Tastes just like water. That's what you're gonna get.